So you're scrolling on TikTok and you're looking everywhere for this duet layout option and you can't find it. I'm gonna tell you what's up. So you've been looking high and low and you've seen this TikTok or these videos right here and you're wondering, man, how do I get a duet option to where I'm on top and they're on bottom? I keep seeing this lady on the bottom at Target and she's swiping items and she's scanning items. I'm trying to be on top. And you say to yourself, I know that I can do a duet where they're over here and I'm over here, but how do I get up there? Are you ready for the answer? This is how you get that. Give me a drum roll, give me a drum roll. You have to have that feature. I know you don't want to hear it, but guess what? You don't have that feature. You probably don't like that and you're like, oh no, really? I came on here to find out how to get it. Okay, so here's the thing. Everybody does not have the same features on TikTok. Sometimes they roll them out for beta testing, people that have 1,000 and more fans, 100K fans and higher. Sometimes they just roll out things just to see what the reaction and the engagement is gonna be. I know, because if you watch this Stitch video that I did, or even this video reply to comment that I did a while ago, I have those features and other people don't have them. Where in this case, I want to do this trend. I want to do this trend and everybody else have it, the feature, and I don't have it. Unlike my last two videos, the Stitch feature went away on my iPhone, but it stayed on my Samsung. Whereas this one, what I really want to do, it's not on my Samsung or on my iPhone. So unfortunately, I've tried everything. I'm sure you have also. I've tried to update TikTok. I've tried to do the beta testing. I've tried everything you can think of. I looked it up on YouTube and I only found one, maybe two videos where someone was showing you the options on Duet, and it was an Indian video and he was speaking his language, but it showed that option. And I remember I had that option about 7 or 8 months ago, but I couldn't figure out how I was going to use that layout feature, until I seen this trend. Do you have this feature? If you have this feature, let me know what type of phone you have. Is it Android? Is it iOS? Did you update? Did you uninstall? Did you reinstall? Are you beta testing? Let me know if you have this duet layout option feature that everyone is doing this trend to. I want to know. Put it in the comments. Say something. And maybe even if you did this trend, put your username, put your @name on TikTok so we can go check you out and see how you did. All right, guys. Hey, I'll see you soon. Once again, this is Quincy, just trying to give you some information on if you're looking for this feature. Sadly to say, you just don't have that feature. Till next time.